If you're gonna eat, it might as well taste good. A few days ago I did a family pack of pork chops out on the grill. I smoked them a little bit and then sizzled them, give them a nice little char on them. They were great, but now they're leftovers. Leftover pork chops can get a little boring. So we're gonna try and do something just a little different. I've got some white corn tortillas, the little mini ones. I've got a taco rack here, and I've got some cheese, and I've got a few other things. We're gonna see if we can't throw something together and make these boring pork chops into something that's a little more interesting to eat on a Sunday afternoon. First things first, we've got to cut the pork chops up and get them where they'll fit in here real nice. Be right back. So the other day, whenever I bought the family pack of pork chops, I bought the bone-in pork chops, and obviously the bone's got to go. That's what you see me doing here. I'm taking the bone out, which is a pretty simple task, and getting to where I can chop it up. Now we're doing 4 tacos tonight. I've got one pork chop already cut up. I'm working on the second one here, and two pork chops is going to give me plenty of meat for 4 street tacos. Now, if I was using regular tacos, I would probably leave them in strips like you see here. But because it's street tacos and the tortillas are so much smaller, I'm actually going to chop them into smaller bite-sized pieces so you can really get it into the tortilla clean and nice. So there you go, 2 pork chops cut up, ready to go to the tortilla. We now have 4 tortillas in the form. Move this up a little bit. And I don't know how well this is going to work. Never done it before. But I have a feeling it's going to be pretty good. Mainly because I have a fervent belief that if you add enough cheese and pork to something, it's going to taste good. That's just the way it works. So, I just shredded up some Tillamook Colby Jack. Alright, we've got the Kamado Joe. Been heating up for about an hour. Sitting at 350. I just basically lit it, gave it 10 minutes, and then put the dialed it in about where I know it's going to be at 350. We've got it set up so it's heat on this side, the fire's over here. Over this side is over indirect heat. That's where we're going to put the tacos. We're going to see if this works. Alright, I'm about to add the tacos to the grill. I'm going to add 1 small chunk of cherry wood because I believe smoke makes just about everything taste better. We're going to see how that works out. Drop it in. Over there, completely indirect. Now I'm going to go chop up some cilantro and get some other ingredients ready. You can see we're smoking like crazy. So they're getting that smoked flavor in there that I love so much. You look, the tortillas have browned up pretty good. Some of the cheese is melted out. It's going to be good. I'm very excited about this. So we're going to go inside, we're going to add some pickled onions, some cilantro, see what this tastes like. Alright, we're back in here. Just got them off the grill. Still a little warm, but not too bad. So now, my wife, a few weeks ago, made some pickled onions. She loves that on street taco type stuff. So we're going to add a few of those here. For some cilantro. Went and got some cilantro, cut it up. Let's take a look at what we have. We have a nice good street taco. So let's take one bite, and we'll come back and discuss whether or not this came out good. It came out good. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. Nothing wrong with that. So, if you got you some leftover pork chops, they've got a good flavor on them already. You feel like taking it up a notch or two. This is a 15 or 20 minute meal, midweek meal, easily. All you gotta do, you already got the pork chops, you cut them up, put them in the taco. Probably do a little bit less cheese than I did, so you don't have the bottoms blow out. Get you some pickled onions, and I'm gonna do my best to put a link to how to make those pickled onions. I don't have that yet, but the next time when we get around to making a video on that, I'll come back to this and put a link to the video on how to do that. That might be a while, but really good. Definitely worth doing. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. I guess I probably need to say, you know, if you like this video, you like some of the other videos I've been doing, hit that subscribe button. If you got time right now, look at some of these other videos. Once again, thank you for watching. See you next week.